Talk about the Triumph motorcycle. It's crazy how well we've contained it. It's been a well-kept secret. Seen all the rumors, heard all the rumors. It's time for me to show you how real this thing is. Can't wait for you to see it.
So that right there was Ricky Carmichael yesterday, as I'm filming this, saying basically it seemed like they were going to release the bike or reveal the bike and everybody was going to see it. But what we actually got was this, the frame. All this hype, all this build up, how many months we've heard about this bike and you haven't seen anything of it, and you got a frame. That's really sad. I mean, frames are not exactly exciting. And this image right here, and there's another one who I think they were found from somebody on a motorcycle group that I'm in. They're renders or they're fakes.
Exciting news coming up the next couple of weeks. Make sure you tune into the Triumph Motorcycles YouTube channel. It's going to be a lot of fun. I'm going to walk you through the journey all the way through the chassis project, the engine project, and we got some great people on board. It's going to be a lot of fun. I might even ride the bike for you as well. I hope you like it just as much as I do.
And then that is what we got today. Just a frame. Basically him saying, hey, we will be releasing the bike or reviewing or whatever you want to call it, after saying the same thing the day before. It's either like, is the bike not ready? Did something go wrong? Or who knows what? Because they had this huge build up, this whole hype train of like months of, Ricky Carmichael's involved and like, it's going to be a new bike for the series and it's going to come out and blah, blah, blah. And then just, nothing. You get to see a frame. Like, it's not very much. I mean, obviously most dirt bikes are exactly the same. Same kind of engine design, same suspension design and same body and everything, but it's just one of those things that have this big build up, have something like, oh hey, tomorrow we're gonna let you see it, and then you see a piece of it. And they could do this really cool if they did it right and they released like a video a day, I think, at least, like building the bike from frame up, and you got like 5 or 6 videos or something like that. It'd be kind of cool because if they went in depth into it, it'd be fun. But if they're going to keep this like, hey, here's the frame, and then like a week later, it's like, oh, hey, here's the engine, it's going to take so long, people are just going to lose interest in it. And all I've seen today is people just being like let down by this, just kind of like, yeah, sure, whatever, we're ready for it, and you're just kind of whatever. But comments below, you tell me. Big letdown. Did you care at all? Do you think it's going to be released soon, or is it going to be something they drag out for a long time? And then I guess when it's actually real and being used, do you think it's going to be any good? Or is it going to be, 2 or 3 years of actual racing development before it's competitive or whatever it is? As you're down there, like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.